Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. This one is of my niece last year before that maybe, more recent than the other two I did. And this is them on an Easter egg hunt. Of course, what else do you do on Easter? I used a lot of the chipboard stickers. Mainly this whole thing is the chipboard stickers. Pretty sweet. Except for the butterflies, those are die cuts, and they are Hickey Club's pretty sweet as well. So, let me see. This pink blanket. So the full background, of course, is Basil cardstock. I get the cardstock add-on kit, so I don't have to try to find cardstock that matches in my stash. And I actually went and organized my cardstock. That's after it's left over. I sometimes bring it over into the next kit, and then eventually whatever I have, after the next kit, so like this cardstock I can bring over into the April kit, and then after that, whatever's left over from the April kit, I tend to put into my drawer with the others, which is getting full because I have a lot. Just say I would never be short on Basil cardstock. I could probably skip an add-on kit, but I won't. So it's nice to have those stashed up, just so when I do finish my Hip Kit Clubs, get caught up, I can use that to do my stash. And Mal Patton is going to drive me nuts, and I'm going to have to stop in a minute, so until he leaves. And now he's gone. But he's still there. So I'm trying to work around him, his little behind. Because I already had to think, I think I had to already set this aside and come back to it the next day. Because they wouldn't stop laying on my layout, Sabrina. Hey, sweet babies. Hey, my little pumpkin. Huh? You my little pumpkin? She's on the back of my chair. Alrighty, so now I'm going to do my title, which is, I do have some enamel dots, and I'm going to put down that are just random leftover. And I am about is Pink Fresh Studio Some Days from the February kit. Egg-cited, and Easter is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet Puffy Alphabet stickers. And I'm sorry about Theo now. I come back and I just put the title off camera later when they were outside or preoccupied doing something else. Probably getting into trouble. Anyway, so that is it. Thanks for watching and being patient with my cats in the way all the time, and I'll be back with more.